Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avirash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, we can see that after NFP also there was no change on the chart of gold. I had the worst NFP, one of the worst. I won't say the worst. I had one of the worst NFP yesterday because there was no proper movement. We all were waiting for a big move because throughout the week market was trading in a very narrow range. But after NFP also we did not get what we were looking for. So now we can see that gold is still trading inside the range. Number of trading opportunities are very limited. My dear friend, if you have been trading for a couple of months or years, you must be knowing that December may not be the perfect month or January may not be the perfect month to trade. But this type of scenario, okay, is usually seen after 20th of December. After 20th of December, during the Christmas time, market is in holiday mode, so the volume remains very low. But this December is very special because since the beginning, okay, we can clearly see that there was no proper movement in the market is trading in a range, so the trading opportunities are very limited. So if you are looking for a good swing trade, positional trade, then sorry to say, this is not the ideal market condition. If market remains like this on next week also, then as a swing trader, positional trader, you should be looking for good positions next year only. Means after second week of January. Okay, because this is not the ideal market condition for any good swing trade as well as positional trade. Why? Because the direction of the market is not clear right now. This is the daily chart of gold in front of us. We can see that overall the daily chart of gold is bullish. So considering the overall chart, if you're holding your buy position, well and good. But if you're looking for fresh position, then I will not recommend anything, because if we zoom in, we can see that for the last few days, gold is constantly forming dojis, and dojis signify indecision in the market. So as a trader, do you think that you should trade when the market is in indecision mode? Obviously, no. So if you want to trade in this market, then day trading or intraday trading is the only solution. It doesn't matter whether you like or not. Okay, but if you want to really trade on gold right now, especially, okay, you will have to look for day trading or level to level trading only. Because this market is pathetic in one word, and as a result, okay, you cannot expect a particular trend right now. Next week, if things change, thank God. But right now, things are very bad. So what are the levels then? My dear friend, the major levels that we discussed in our previous videos are still the same. Yes. Okay, so I do not want to repeat again and again and bore you guys. For example, if there's a big drop, then we have the best support around 2575. But chances of market going to 2575 is very less. If market goes up sharply, then we have the best sellers or the best resistance, strongest resistance around 26962 to 2700. But same condition, chances of market going to this level is very less. We are looking for trade both the sides, because in sideways market number of buyers and sellers are almost equal, so we can trade both the sides. People usually lose money in sideways market because they enter on the middle of the chart, they get stuck. We don't want to make the mistake, so we will be looking for levels only. So if market drops big time around this level, or if market goes up, then we can look for sell around these two levels. But market is flat, market is like a dead cat right now, so no trade. Then if we look for some immediate levels, then we can see that we also have a selling opportunity around 2676, and at the downside we have a buying opportunity around 2600 to 2595. Okay, these are the two support levels on the chart of gold. We can also look for a buy. Apart from 2600 2595, we also have a support around 2610 to 2605. We have discussed many times, so I do not want to discuss again. Why are we considering this? Okay, for example, 2610 2605, we have a FIBO level, plus we have support around this area. 2600 is a round number psychological support. Okay, and we also have some contracts lying there. for the last few months, okay, Mondays have been surprising. Okay, so on Monday, if market shows volume surprisingly, then we can look for a sell around 2676 or buy around 261005 and 2600. Clear? But if market behaves like a normal Monday market, then obviously chances of market coming down to these levels are very, very less. In that case, we will have to look for some immediate levels. But the problem is that the immediate levels are not very reliable. But if market is not coming to the reliable levels, we cannot help it, isn't it? So what you need to do is, so if you go for positions right now, okay, then you need to go for small lot size only. Okay, so probably you guys have heard me saying that okay, we can expect 10%, 12% a month, but I also mentioned that 5%, 6% also sometimes. So in months like December, January, if you can make 5% also, okay, it is good enough. Okay, so on Monday after the market opening, okay, if we see market going down, then as a day trader you can look for support around 2620 and 2614. Okay, these are the two levels where you can look for support. Okay, if market take support, if you see that market is showing price rejection from below around these areas, you can look for buy position. If you can get 30-40 pips also in this market, it is good enough. Because if you put a TP of 80 pips, 100 pips, then okay, this market will not be able to deliver. We need to be practical. Okay, so these are the two levels that we can look for buy on Monday. Not good levels, they are risky levels, but no other choice. Okay, on the other hand, if market goes up, then we can look for sell around 2645 to 2646. This is the first level here where we can look for a sell as a day trader or scalper. Then second selling opportunity will be around 26 532 2655. Okay, again I'm repeating, these levels are not very reliable levels. If you see market is showing price rejection from above, okay, then only look for a sell. For example, if you see that market has formed a big green candle at 2646, obviously you need to use your common sense. Common sense and trading goes side by side. And especially if you're a beginner, new trader, if you're in a very tight spot right now, can't afford to lose any money, then this is not the market you should be trading right now. You should wait for the market to give you a proper direction. Okay, and again I'm repeating, if you're a swing trader, position trader, then also this is not the ideal market type. You can clearly see in front of your eyes that the market is pathetic. And this is the reason why I conducted the workshop in the month of December, because I knew very well that the number of trading opportunities will be very less. So my dear friends, you must be knowing that the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop is back again. It's a 7 days workshop followed by 1 month support. Both Hindi and English language, दोनों language में होता. It's a workshop designed for those people who are struggling with the market, not for complete beginners. It's a 7 days workshop. At first, there will be 3 consecutive classes and 4 weekly sessions. There will be gaps. You can see English class starting from 20th of December and Hindi classes starting from 27th of December. Why there are gaps? Because see, because if we learn at a stretch, then we forget. Okay, learn and execute, learn and execute. And in 1 month support, you will be receiving regular market updates, analysis in our WhatsApp community. Okay, and we also have a Telegram community also where you can interact with others. And these are the dates that I mentioned here. You can join now also. Okay, you will be receiving free market updates, analysis in the workshop. And these are the topics that we will be discussing during the workshop. And you will also get free risk management guide, discipline guide, lot size calculator, a checklist that you need to see. And if you're a resident of India, you must be knowing that Forex trading is a little difficult here. There will be a special session in the month of January. Okay, and these are the weekly sessions or the topics of the weekly sessions. If you want to know how does the WhatsApp group or the community looks like, you just click here. A video will open up, a sample video. You can watch it. And all the classes are conducted via Google Meet. And if you are unable to attend also, no need to worry. I record each and every session. Okay, and how to join? My dear friends, this is the best feature here. The fees for 7 days workshop with 1 month support is only $20 or rupees 1500. And if you're looking for longer relationship, because trading takes time, we all know it. And if you're looking for personal sessions also and WhatsApp support from my side, then you can consider joining the semi-annual or lifetime. All the details are mentioned here. And these are the payment methods. Once you're done with the payment, just share a screenshot to this WhatsApp number. I will add you to the group. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care, have a lovely weekend.